Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about the first major brand credit card to offer cash back in Bitcoin. All right, so this is a major game changer. There's been a couple of other smaller brands to do it, but the thing about it is that they never were known for doing things necessarily as big as Upgrade has. For those who don't know, Upgrade is a financial company that offers personal loans, credit cards. They're really trying to change the game, like a lot of companies, honestly, in the last 2-3 years, of how we not only build credit but use credit. And this is, of course, something that's that they're trying to get behind. And instead of giving cash back rewards, they're giving Bitcoin, rewards back. So essentially, the card literally just came out hours ago. And the thing about it is that instead of getting 1%, 1.5% cash back on all purchases, you'll get 1.5% back in Bitcoin, which means there's no categories, there's no retailers, there's no blackout dates, all the stuff that we're normally used to, right? When you're getting, cash back and things of that sort. And this is really simple. All you gotta do is pay your bill, so it's really simple. But I think this is a major game changers that a lot of companies are going to start looking into. And I think the real reason why majority of the bigger brands that are bigger than Upgrade, like Bank of America, Chase, so on and so forth, Bitcoin is essentially competition. So when you look at someone like Upgrade, they don't too much care how the money floats because they never touch the money, versus, the bigger banks, they touch the money in a sense. Whereas like, hey, wait a minute, we don't want a different type of currency coming in or something that's going to replace us in any way, shape, or form. Why would we do that? But you'll get a company like Upgrade, and I'm sure some more companies are going to be sure to follow this trend. So we'll see how this goes. Also, let's talk about limits. The limits are going to be anywhere between $5,000, well, actually $500 on the low end, all the way up to $25,000. And of course, what's great about Upgrade is that they still do a soft pull. So if you're curious to see, if you can get, qualify for any of their products, majority of their products are soft pulls. So you most definitely want to dive into this, especially you guys that are really interested in Bitcoin and things of that sort. We'll see how this process goes. This is something that's new to the market. So, and especially, I would say probably the largest brand that's already known for their financial products, to come out with this. We'll see how it goes. I'm most definitely excited to see how this all swings around. So, but of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, and be sure to subscribe. And also too, guys, if you got this card already, if you've worked with Upgrade before, leave your comments, down below, because it always helps when people can kind of, get a feel for how real humans have used or worked with companies before they might make the final decision to do so. Okay, and we will see you guys on the next video.